Hey, welcome to EPCO. Thanks for joining us. My name is Boen.
And I'm Zach. Today we're talking about heat shrink and splice kits and everything that goes along with that.
Let's dig in. Well, Zach, looks like we have some UF Stretcher Kits. What are these used for and where would we find them?
Yeah, so these are used all over the place. Whether you're a residential contractor or a commercial contractor, you might need this for anything underground. So it's UF, that's underground feeder cable.
Okay.
So if you're running a new installation, you got to extend the line, you run out of your cable, now you need a new cable to keep going. That would be an application for this. Maybe something gets damaged, right? Somebody's digging, damages the cable, now we need to splicing it.
Sure.
Kind of funny in the industry, it's hard to stretch wire, but we did come out with our UF Stretcher Kit. So,
Here at EPCO.
Yep. If you're a little bit short, you can use that, jump a little gap between your two lines. So all kinds of uses for them.
Well, why don't we dig into these? You show me some of the specs on these.
Yeah, let's open them up and check them out. Both of these here, so our standard splice kit and our stretcher kit, they're rated for 14.3 through 8.3, your underground feeder cable.
Okay.
So that's a few primary conductors plus your grounds. There's 4 conductors total on these. They're also direct burial rated, so you got that going for you. 600 volt rated, they're good for use with copper wire, and they're UL listed. It's a whole kit. Some people may just have heat shrink and splices separately, but it is a UL listed kit, so if that's important to you, you're getting that whole thing. Also made in the USA. We got instructions on the bag or in the bag for you. Good to go. Pretty
Awesome.
easy.
Well, check out our full line of splice kits and heat shrink at engproducts.com.